Hi. So tell me something about yourself. How many years of experience? What skills you are working on?
Okay.
What is your current designation? Which company you are associated with? And what is the reason of change?
Okay. So currently I have 4 years, 4 months of experience as a DevOps engineer. And I work with
Uh-huh.
like coming to tools and roles like tools I work on Kubernetes, Docker, uh, AWS, and Git, Maven, Jenkins, and little bit of Ansible and Terraform.
Okay.
And like roles and responsibility as such, like I used to write manifest from the scratch, and I create the EKS clusters, and I write Ansible playbooks, right? And created CI/CD pipelines from the scratch, declared pipelines, and I read some, I work on Maven and Git for source code management tools.
Okay. Do you have some Python knowledge and how much exposure you have with AWS services?
So AWS services, I have like 10 to 15 services, EC2, VPC, Lambdas, little bit Lambdas, and
Uh-huh. And
AWS, AABs,
and
EC2.
since when you are working on AWS?
AWS, like fast 4 years.
And you don't have any other cloud knowledge?
I did not get chance to work. Mostly I working with AWS only.
Okay. Okay. Where do you use this Sonar Cube?
Sonar Cube is like, the code quality management purpose, for like once we write the source code to
Mm-hmm.
check, is the source code is ready to push from one environment to another environment. So we like build the quality gates, and then top of it, when the source code is like past the quality gates, then we'll try to push the code from the dev environment to the Q environment, and so on.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you have any exposure towards cloud formation?
Cloud formation, I did. Yes, for one of the project, I do have bit knowledge. But if I get any work, if I get in task, or if I get any project I need to get work on, I'll do that right away.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
Have you haven't used anything in your current project, Terraform or cloud formation, right?
yes, Terraform we have used.
Terraform you have used. How many years of exposure you have with Terraform?
Terraform for last 1.5 year we are using it extensively. So many of the AWS services only we have used. I mean to say AWS provider we've been using.
Mm-hmm.
Is this particular position for Hyderabad or Bangalore? I'm just wonder.
Which location are you looking for?
I'm looking for Hyderabad.
Okay, so we do have office in Hyderabad as well as Bangalore. You can opt for anything.
Okay. Right now it's
So
a
what is
remote.
this? Yeah, sorry?
Right now it's remote work, right?
Okay. Yeah,
Presently it's
right now it's work from home.
remote work. Okay, got it.
Yeah. Which project are you?
Yes, I was working with the M1 Self-Care project, so it's a basically telecom project.
Sorry? Sorry?
M1 Self-Care project, it's a telecom project.
Okay. What is your current designation?
DevOps engineer.
What is the reason that you are looking for a change right now?
Mainly career growth, and currently actually we don't have active projects, so actually I'm on the bench right now. Till as our project manager said, like till March this year, we don't have any project, I guess. So career growth and better working possibilities.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any friends or acquaintances?
No.
Okay. Are you holding any offer?
The offers are like, one is with the Infosys and Whitehead, they are in the pipelines. Like, I cleared 2 rounds and they're about to conduct one more client round, I guess. They're in the pipelines.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, one company like it's a company. Actually, they are about to release the offer, so that's why he actually resigned on 23rd. And they told like the offer is not. They are not holding any open position, so that's why I ended up choosing very aggressively. I become like, although I have resigned in my present organization. So.
Oh, you resigned without the offer?
Actually, I resigned. I got one offer from. I cleared 3 rounds in. So they are about to release the offer. So they say like, they said like, if you release and give the resignation letter, we'll try to. They gave a one offer like, if you show that your resignation letter, we will offer you. So that's why that's what I resigned. So in that between, they did not release the offer. That's why I'm just keen about this process.
So what is your last working day right now in your current company?
12 January.
Well, Jan, and you can join on 13th.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Any other company that you are getting interviewed with, or you are holding an offer, something like that?
Yes, sir. I told you, right. Infosys and Whitehead Junior, I cleared 2 rounds, each of them, but they are bit delaying, like, the further process due to this year end and the coming Sankranti. I don't know, but they are taking bit time. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
the talks
So
was
what
in
is the
pipeline.
offer discussion that you had with them?
Come again?
What is the offer discussion that you had with them?
10 LPA.
10 LPA.
Yes.
Okay. What is your current CTC?
6 L.
Sorry?
6 LPA. 6.
6 LPA. Okay. Have you shared that document with us?
Yes, I share.
Okay. Let me have a look. You have shared an offer letter of your current organization,
Okay.
which shows your CTC as 3.20.
That was my offer letter, and then actually my current CTC is like December 6 months. As per this, 6 lakh is 6 lakhs is my current CTC. I'm
So
just
you don't have any increment letter for that?
yes, I have provided the hike letter as well, I guess.
Employee application form, updated resume, offer letter. No, I can't see your increment letter. Again, it's an offer letter. You shared
Okay.
documents twice.
Okay. I guess I forgot to share the hike letter, I guess.
The
Yes.
hike letter is not there here.
Okay. I'll share. I'll share in a moment.
Please share that with me. And I believe in the second mail also you have shared the same set of documents which you shared in your previous set, right?
I thought I wasn't shared. I shared the the document which you in the first communication you asked me to share,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
the personal information form, like.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Here you have attached your, in previous set it is not there.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
PAN card, your passport size photo, Aadhaar. Okay, fine. So you do share that document with me with your current hike letter.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Tell me something about your education, from where you have completed your graduation and which. Uh,
Okay. So actually, I done my
yes,
MBA in 2017, like from JNTH.
in 2017 from
2017 from JNTH.
JNTU. Which stream you have
HR.
completed?
HR.
HR.
Yes. Human resource.
What you
The
have?
college name is like a Samskriti College
Okay, you have completed your BTech
in 2013.
in 2013. Which stream you have completed?
ECE.
What?
ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Electronic communication. Okay, easy. Okay. From JNTU University.
Yes, from JNTU Hyderabad, and college name is Aravindo Institute of engineering and technologies.
Okay. And
The intermediate is like from SR Junior College.
no. Post BTech, you have completed your MBA.
Yes. Actually, yes.
MBA in HR.
MBA in HR, 2014 to 2017.
3 years you have completed MBA.
No. Actually, I took a gap once after I completed my BTech. I was prepared for banking exams, and I took 1 year, and I thought it's not for me, and I joined in the MBA in 2014. I have a 1 year education gap, 2013 to 2014, and 2014 I joined in MBA, and it's done in 2017, and from 2017 August till I'm working as a in working IT.
Okay. So MBA you have completed from which university or which college?
I completed from J into Hyderabad. The college name is Samskriti College of Engineering.
Okay. So why after doing BTech you completed MBA HR and then you again entered into the technical field? So why these switches means were you wanting to go into the HR stream or you were wanting to go into technical field?
Yes. Actually, I was preparing for a CAT and kind of thing, but I did not get a good rank, and I ended up getting the seats in the local, not local regional colleges. So I did not get a better opportunity in MBA HR field. So I thought it's for girls, I guess. Uh, I'm just joking, but I know after that I joined one institute, and I'm trying my luck in the IT industry. So it has turned up into this.
So as soon as you have completed your MBA HR, you immediately joined the company or there were some months gap?
Yes, there was like a month gap. 2017, 2014 to 2016 I completed, and I have joined in like there was a Viva. It takes like 1 year at a time. Then I joined in uh, 2017 August, from 27 August.
Okay. Hyderabad location you are looking for, right?
Yes, mostly.
Okay, fine. Fine. You just send me across that document
Yes,
and
type letter, right?
yeah.
I'll
Rest, I believe all documents are fine. Let me work on your offer. What is your expected CTC?
10 LPA.
10 LPA. Okay, fine. Let me seek approvals. Okay.
Okay.
I'll share your documents with my hiring manager.
Okay.
And once I get approval, I'll try to get your offer released at the earliest. Okay?
Okay. I'm also expecting a bonus. Like, I'll be the immediate joiner as soon as possible.
Uh-huh. Okay, let me check on that piece also.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
In a moment. That's
Yeah.
it. Sure.
Bye.
Thanks.